What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Claude Mort and I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. Le Bon Goût Seasoning is an e-commerce website where we sell all-in-one organic seasoning, organic cooking base, hot pepper sauce, and so much more. We also make organic cremas that is only available during the holiday. So for this summer, I decided to do a mini series of quick and easy burger recipe. I just relaunched my business and I decided, hey, what is the best way to introduce some of my product by putting quick and easy recipe. So today I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please remember to subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I have a quick and easy recipe for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any question, you have any suggestion, please remember to put them in the comment below, and I will also make sure that I add everything that I use in the description below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so for this recipe, we are using the organic bourbon barbecue marinade. This marinade is an all-in-one. When you are using it, no need to add barbecue sauce or salt. Everything is already in there. I love this marinade, and when you are cooking and the bourbon flavor, it really comes out, really match very well in this seasoning. And when you are using this seasoning, guys, adjust it based on the amount of food that you are cooking. And I love this on ribs as well. As you can see, I simply added 1 tablespoon and I marinated the burger meat, and now I'm going to cook it on a grill. This grill, I got it from Amazon. It is an indoor grill. When I made this recipe, it was still cold outside. I couldn't use my grill outside, but it came out as perfect. And while I'm cooking the burger, I took a little bit of the marinade and I simply coated the burger with it. That way the burger remains juicy and packed with flavor. Guys, I hope you try this recipe and you will love it. Trust me, because I love it. It's one of my favorite. And while the burger is cooking, I simply added some bacon on the grill, and I also added some red onion and also some bell pepper. I'm just going to let everything cook together, and while the bacon is cooking, what I do is I take the grease of the bacon and simply dab it on top of the veggies so that everything can be compact and harmonized. Guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Keep watching. And guys, when you are cooking the bacon and the burger, it all depends on how you like it. Some people like their bacon very crispy, some people like their burger meat medium. So it all depends on to you. However you like it, you let it cook a little bit longer. And everything is done, and now I'm putting my burger together. So I'm just going to lay out the bacon, and I'm going to lay out the bell pepper, the onion, and then put the burger meat on top of it, and we'll be done. I couldn't put the onion on top of the burger meat, but I don't know, I wasn't thinking. So I decided to build the burger like this. I hope you guys really enjoy this recipe, and make sure you comment below, and please remember to subscribe as well. And this is the burger meat. Look how juicy it is and glazed with that barbecue marinade. It is super delicious, and I didn't add any mayo, no cheese, nothing, because the burger was perfect just like that. And guys, this is the final result of the burger. What do you think about this recipe? Make sure you comment below and let me know. Okay guys, that's it for this easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please remember to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.